Hey everyone, I am so super excited about this. This is my first cash stuffing, and yeah, I'm so excited about this video. And my name is Candace, and this is CS Budgets. So, the reason why I started this channel is because I get people all the time asking me about me going on trips and Disney, and I love talking about saving money. So I decided, why don't I just start a YouTube channel, show everybody how I do it and how you can do it a very, very low budget and easy way to do this. So, my journey, my savings journey is I've been doing this, the cash stuffing method, since I would say last year, and it has really, really helped me and my household to save for those things that come up all of a sudden, or if we decide to go on a trip, we don't have to worry about getting money at the last minute or scrambling trying to get cash for it. So I've been going on YouTube, and all of a sudden I stumbled up on different videos on budgeting and everything. I got really into it, and it has helped me so much. And I love talking about this all the time. And people always ask me, like, how do you get started? How do you do this? So that's what this video is all about, and that's what this channel is going to be all about. So this is my first cash stuffing. I'm going to do it the low income way. Okay, we're going to do this low income style. So let's get started. So first, what you want to do is, and I'm like really starting this off like from the very, very beginning with you guys. Okay, so first what you want to do, and I hope you can see this in the frame. Yes, you can see this in the frame. You want to list your categories. I will say start off with maybe about 6-7 categories. So I have my little list here. So start off with your categories first. So you're going to say categories. Don't mind my spelling or anything like that. Okay, first, what's coming up? Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, all those holidays is coming up, and I know it's been hard to save throughout the year for it. So we're actually going to save really quick for it. Okay, so we're actually going to do an envelope for holidays, I should say. Gas prices, everything has gone crazy. So we want to save up for gas. This is going to be for emergency gas. Not everyday gas is emergency, okay? Food, the cost of food has gone up. People are paying really, really high prices for food. I mean, I can spend $100 and get one bag. So yeah, that's not fun. Let's see. Entertainment. So even though things is like really, really high, still want to go to the movies. So let's go ahead and entertain. No, that's wrong. We know what that is, okay? And then us girls, we love to go get our hair done. We are not going to omit that unless you're actually doing it from home. You're doing your hair from home, but of course you have to get those products. So I would say let's get a beauty category going. Okay, weird handwriting, I know. Okay, so today we're actually going to stuff $75. Remember, this is low income. So even if, doesn't matter when you get paid, I would say definitely put to the side maybe 50, 75, or $100 to the side to get this started. So you have to start somewhere, no matter what. I would say just start with $50, start with $25, and then increase it as you go along and start paying off them bills. Debt that you have, you can increase that as you go along. But I would say let's just start off with a small amount. We're going to start off with $75, okay? And let me know in the comments if you're doing this with me, okay? Okay, so for the holidays, let's go ahead and start listing out how much we're going to put. So we have $75 to work with, okay? Holidays is coming up. It's coming up really fast, so I will say let's go ahead and start putting $20 in there. Gas is really expensive, but let's see. I would say let's go ahead and put $15 in there. Food, let's go ahead and put $20. Entertainment, I will say $10. And then beauty, how much ever you spent to go get your hair done. Let's say, let's see, how much do we have now? Let me get my calculator. All right. We have 20, 15, 20, and 10. We have 65, so we can actually put, I wasn't a math genius, you guys. We put $10 in here. All right, so this should account for our $75 that we have to stuff, okay? All right, that away. Okay, so now that we have our amounts here that we're gonna stuff, I'm actually gonna put this over to the side. We're gonna get 6, how many categories? That was 5 categories, so I'm just put one back. Okay, so we're gonna get 5 envelopes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these blank envelopes, we're actually going to write down the categories on each one of these. Okay, so you get these from the dollar store, grab a box, and then pull out 5 envelopes, and then we're going to write on it. So let me get me a nice pretty Sharpie. So first one is holidays. Oh, let me get a green one for that one. Okay, I'm gonna write holidays on here. Okay, put that to the side. Next is gas. I'll probably do gray for gas. Okay, next one we have is food. I like girly colors, so we'll just put food here. Okay, we have entertainment. I'm gonna do a blue color for that. See if I can spell it. I was not the spelling bee champion, you guys. Seriously. And then we're gonna have beauty. So I'm gonna get a bold color here for beauty. Yay! Okay. So we have our 3 envelopes. Now we're going to stuff them. So we're going to stuff them based on the amounts that we wrote here on our sheet. Okay, so I have my cash here. It should be $75. So let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So it's 75. Okay, so I'm going to divide this up. And I would suggest do these in small bills, especially since this is a low budget video and a low budget stuffing. Do them in smaller do them in smaller bills, and that way you can kind of like spread them out. All right, so our holiday envelope is first. Okay, so we are going to stuff $20. I'm going to use a 10 and 2 5s for this. So it's 10, 15, 20. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Don't seal it because we're going to stuff this every week or every 2 weeks or once a month when you get paid. So however you get paid, that's when you're going to stuff them, but don't seal them, okay? All right, so I'm going to put that to the side. Next is gas. Let's get our gas envelope out. And that one's 15. So we're going to do a 10 and a 5. Okay, I'm going to put that here. Next is food. Get my food envelope. We are stuffing $20 for food, so let's just go ahead and get 2 10s out. Let's put that in here. Okay, next is entertainment. That one's $10, so we're gonna do a 5 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are some rough ones, everyone. So we put that in there. we're going to do beauty. $10. So I should have $10 left. Okay, so I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, and that's it. That is it. Okay. So now I have my envelope stuffed. Now, you're going to put these up, and then when you get paid, you're going to do it again. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to continue this process on. I'm really excited about this. So let me know in the comments what you're saving for. Let me know what your categories are going to be. We're going to do this every week together. Let me know which categories it's going to be. Like I stated, go out and just, if you already have regular envelopes or if you have the long envelopes, just use that. Write categories on there. List what you want to start off with and then start stuffing it. This is the low income way to get you started and start, you know, saving for those things that come recurrently. Save for the holidays. It's coming up fast, so definitely get started. So if you like this video, subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. Okay, so we're gonna do this together. Okay, so I had a blast and I cannot wait to see you next week. Bye.